I don't understand what's wrong. My baby won't latch. It's like super painful when I do, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Is there anything that you have that can help? Yes, I have a few things that might help. So the first thing that I'm going to help with is, let's see how your baby's latching and see if I can help you with your latch first. And then ultimately I have something else called a nipple shield. Have you ever heard of one of those? No, I haven't heard of any of those before. Can you tell me a little bit about it and what's it for? Yeah, sure. So a nipple shield is actually this little plastic piece. So it looks just like this. So it's curved at the top, so where your baby's nose will go. And this is a 16 millimeter, and this has to actually be sized to your correct nipple size. Doesn't matter what size your areola or your breast is. And what can be really helpful with these is it can help your baby learn how to maintain their latch. You can use it for sore or bleeding or cracked nipples until you figure out until you can heal those. Also, it can be really great for preterm infants to help maintain that latch. Wow, that sounds great. Okay, I would like to try one and see how it goes. Awesome, that sounds great. So, all right, let me go get one and then we'll try and get your baby latch, and then if not, I'll show you exactly how to use the nipple shields.